Bali's main airport has several names. Its official name is Igusti Ngurah Rai International Airport, named after an Indonesian national hero. It's also often called Denpasar Airport because it serves Denpasar, the capital of Bali. That's why, when you track your flight, you'll see the airport code DPS. Although Bali Airport handles both domestic and international flights, this video focuses on the international arrival and driver pickup process. Here's a step-by-step guide on what to do when you land at Bali's International Airport. After landing, you'll see a large yellow sign reading Immigration and Baggage Claim. Simply follow the signs toward immigration. You can walk or use the moving walkway. Immigration. If you still need a visa on arrival or VOA, stop at the dedicated counter to purchase one. If you've already completed your EVOA before departure, you can skip the VOA counter. Simply follow the signs for electronic visa and you'll be eligible to use the auto gates for immigration. When you reach immigration, head straight to the auto gates on the left, which are usually much faster. You can use them if you have a biometric passport, identified by this symbol on the cover. At the auto gates. Remove any passport cover. This is important. Place your passport face down on the reader. Stand in front of the camera for a facial scan. Once completed, the gates will open and allow you through. Most travelers pass through smoothly, but occasionally you may be directed to a manual immigration counter if there is a technical issue. Getting your visa on arrival at the airport? If you haven't completed your EVOA in advance, first visit the Visa on Arrival counter to purchase your visa. Both cash and card payments are accepted. If you pay in a foreign currency, any change will be given in Indonesian rupiah. Baggage collection. If you have checked luggage to collect, this is the next step. Some travelers complain baggage collection at Bali Airport can be tediously slow. Tips. If you're flying with AirAsia, you can add on their express baggage service so that your bags are the first to come off the plane. This can cut your wait time by a little bit. Don't buy a SIM card here. If you want to buy one at the airport, wait until the arrivals hall where they are cheaper. Next, continue toward customs. Have the QR code ready that you received after completing the All Indonesia Arrival Card. If you submitted one arrival card for your entire family, make sure everyone passes through customs together. Just after the counter, you may be asked to place your bags through another X-ray scanner, or occasionally have them inspected by a customs officer. Arrivals, hall, and meeting point. Unlike many other airports, the exit at Bali Airport does not lead directly into an arrivals hall. After customs, you'll enter a covered walkway with shops on both sides. Just walk straight ahead. When you see a Starbucks at the end, you'll find a semi-open area where many people are holding meeting signs. Some drivers may approach you and offer car services. Please ignore them. As shown in the photo, turn right and continue to the end of the walkway. Look for the red Circle K sign. This is where your car will be waiting. Your driver and vehicle details are sent to you before departure, so you'll know exactly what to look for.